What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to do a rocker cover gasket replacement on a Mercedes M113 V8. Could be the 430, 500 or the 5.5. Same principle for the V6. Really straightforward. You've got 8 bolts go all around the edge, or 10 including the 2 large ones on the top of this cover here. You've got 4 coil packs screw onto the top. They don't have to be disconnected. Quite a simple little job. Once you've got the rocker off itself, then you undo these 2 smallest Torx bit screws here and split this part off. Quite a simple job to do really. I've already seated the new gasket in, went for Elring gaskets for the left and the right, Elring heat proof silicone to bed this part back on. Fairly straightforward job. Covers back on the engine now. I've got all the bolts in, just finger tight for the moment. I don't want to tighten it up just yet because I've got to put a liquid gasket on here and put a cover on, and these 2 big bolts here and here is what helps pull it down. So we'll go and get that done and we'll get it on. Alright, got the second breather part with the liquid gasket all sealed up, ready to go on the engine. I'll get it on there and torque the bolts up 25 Newton meters, connect everything back up and see where we're at. Rocker's all on now. Started from the middle, worked my way around, left these 2 little screws to last, 2 big ones here to help pull and seal that liquid